We're excited to share some important updates of our school district standards-based report card rubrics. These updates have been made to align with the most current changes in our state standards for math and literacy.
Here's what's new. We've added detailed descriptors for each expectation. These descriptors explain the grade level expectation using the language of the state standards. Each expectation has a rating scale that includes a 4, which means exceeds expectation.
You may have heard that Georgia implemented new mathematics standards this year. Because of the changes that have been made in our state standards, each grade level report card rubric needed to be redeveloped. When you receive your child's report card, you will notice the new math report card rubrics are written in a progression of learning. The math report card also only contains grades for standards in which students have been provided multiple opportunities for instruction and practice each term. In 4th grade, your student has been learning to read and write multi-digit whole numbers through 100,000. Show the relationship between multiplication and division to represent place value. Represent, compare, and order multi-digit numbers through 100,000. Round multi-digit whole numbers up to the 100,000th place. Fluently add and subtract multi-digit numbers through the 100,000th place. Solve multi-step problems using addition and subtraction. Generate number and shape patterns. Use input and output tables to generate and analyze patterns. Find factor pairs and multiples to 100. And identify composite and prime numbers.
When you receive your child's literacy report card rubric, you will notice updates to the grade level report card items on the left-hand side. Your child's report card will only contain grades for standards in which they have been provided multiple opportunities for instruction and practice each term. In Term 1 reading, your child studied fiction text by conducting an in-depth analysis of characters, setting, and events. They considered how the characters' thoughts, words, and actions help shape the events in the story. Your child also identified the point of view of the story and how this difference affected the story. In nonfiction text, your child determined the main idea of a text and explained how key details support this main idea. Your 4th grader expanded their narrative writing by establishing a situation, introducing the narrator and characters, organizing an event sequence that unfolds naturally, developing the story with dialogue, descriptions, and temporal words, and providing a natural conclusion. In language, your child worked on sentence fragments and run-on sentences, progressive verbs, and strengthened their vocabulary using Greek and Latin roots.